Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an industrial kitchen sink with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x6 plate. I'm going to set a pair of 3x3 plates right here. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 flat tile on the bottom studs. I'm going to make 2 of these. I'm going to slip these on both sides as shown. Then in the back, a 1x2 jumper plate followed by a 1x2 flat tile and a 1x2 jumper plate. Next, take several 1x2x1 triple wall elements. We're going to create a 3-basin sink. So I'm going to place 3 right here, and I'm going to have the other 3 facing these. To form up the sides of the sink, I want to flip this over. I'm going to place a set of studs in the corners. That's if I can pick them up. Place these right here, and they could be a bit stubborn, and I know my hands are in the way, but that's how we roll here. I'll flip this back over. On both sides, a pair of 1x2x1 wall panels right here. Slide this out of the way. I'm going to take a 9 stud long Technic lift arm. Starting on the left, I'm going to place a set of friction pins with stud. Place 2 right here. Skip a hole. Place another 3 friction pins with stud. Skip another hole. We're going to place these 2 on the right hand side as shown. Then right here in the middle, a 1x1 flat tile and a set of studs as shown. On the ends, a set of 1x3 flat tiles. And for faucets, some of these sticks with a stud on them, we're going to place these right here. And then we're going to take this assembly, we're going to attach it right on the jumper plates. And now we have a 3-basin sink. We can readjust the faucets as needed. Sometimes these things may want to pop off. We've got to be careful with that, but there is our industrial kitchen sink.